All right, Unit 3. Guys, Unit 3, identifying detail. Yeah? This is what it looks like. I want to show you here. Unit 3, identifying detail. Wow, look at the detail. Which one's better, the drawing here in the book or my drawing on the board? This question would have 20 marks, the right answer in your IELTS test. Which drawing is better, my drawing or the book?
The book.
Is that correct? Oh, the wrong answer.
Wrong answer.
You just lost 20 marks in the test. Okay. Now, when do we need all this stuff? When do we need to know the shapes, position, material, and of course, different parts of something? When do we need this? You already have the stuff in your book, but I just put some shapes here. Of course, there are a lot of shapes, there are a lot of different types of material, but there are some examples here, and we will work on more and more shapes and materials and positions and things of that nature in the future. But why would we need this stuff for? Remember this word?
No.
Diagrams. So what do diagrams look like? Diagrams look like this. There's a picture, of course, like this. And you see? There's always a process. Yeah? Now here is, what is it? This picture is a picture of a fire extinguisher. You use, when there's a fire, you use fire extinguishers to extinguish the fire, to put out the fire. So now, fire extinguishers work in a special way. We use diagrams for, what parts of IELTS do we need diagrams for? Can you guess?
Writing test 1.
For writing test 1, perfect. For academic IELTS writing test, the task 1, there are diagrams, there could be diagrams. It could be a diagram or a chart, bar chart, pie chart, a line graph, or a diagram. In the listening section, they give you a diagram. They say, complete. You have to write the notes completed. Sometimes you may get a diagram also in the reading section. Kind of rare, but it's possible. Now, in the listening section, of course there's a diagram, and as you listen, if there's a fire extinguisher, here, this is not, we're not talking about, oh, I'll meet you, and you're thinking about time. In a place or time, depending on the preposition. I'll meet you at, it could be the bank, or at 5 o'clock. Depends on this evening, morning. So you guess there, right? I'm not looking for time. Here, no. You have a shape, and you are waiting to hear some words about the shape. So the recording would describe two things, basically. The process, so it's like, one is the process, one is the details, such as shapes, position, the things that we have here. Shape of what you see, the looks, what does it look like? The quality, is it colored, is it striped, is it spotted, is it sharp? Parts, head, face, eye, neck, top of something, the side of something, handle of something, the bottom of something, the different parts of position. Is it on top? Is it below? Is it next to? Is it on one side, on both sides, in the middle of something, on the top of something, or on top of something, actually on top of something, or at the top, above, below, around, inside, and horizontal or vertical. Yes? The two words? Horizontal, vertical. I'll show you things on the board too, but I want you to focus on these words here. One time, it's just, yeah, like this. Good. Okay. So the shapes are like what? Round, oval, rectangular. I will show the shapes on the board. Circular. First, let's read them. Round. Everybody say round. Round.
Round.
Oval.
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 Rectangular.
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 So rectangle, rectangular.
Rectangle. Rectangular.
Circle,
Circle.
circular.
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 Circle,
Circle.
circular.
Circular.
How about spherical? What's the shape? Sphere,
Sphere.
spherical.
Spherical.
Cylinder,
Cylinder.
cylindrical.
Cylindrical.
Okay, we have the shapes here. Something that is round is like this, or a circle. The adjective would be circular. Circle, circular.
Circular.
If it's like a sphere, like a globe is like a sphere. The difference between a circle is two-dimensional, right? Sphere is like a globe, right? Like the globe, that's a sphere. And spherical. Circle, circular. Sphere,
Spherical.
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 Sphere,
Sphere.
sphere,
Sphere.
spherical.
Spherical.
Circle,
Circle.
circular.
Circular.
Circle,
Circle.
don't say circle, circle.
Circle.
Circular.
Circular.
Sphere,
Sphere.
spherical.
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 This one is an oval. Oval is noun and adjective both. It is an oval. It is oval. Okay? Like we say, a circle, an oval. This one is it is a rectangle. The shape is
Rectangular.
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 Rectangle.
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 Rectangular.
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 What is this? It's a cylinder.
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 It's a
Cylinder.
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 The shape is
Cylindrical.
cylindrical. Perfect. Cylindrical.
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 This one is a
Square.
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 Square. This one is a cube, like ice cubes.
Cube.
Cube. This one is now after the shape we go into qualities. Something could be colored, could be striped. Striped. Business people usually wear striped shirts. They're known for business people wearing striped suits and striped shirts. They like stripes. I don't know why. Spotted would be like this. And we have different types of shapes and all that, like polka dots, polka dotted, plaid shirts and stuff. But we're not talking about shirts now, because usually when you talk about a process, you talk about how to make bricks, how to make plastic, how a fire extinguisher works, things like that. We will talk about more shapes later on, definitely. But these are some of those shapes. So these are qualities. Now, when you look at something like a fire extinguisher, you can also look at the different parts. The head of the extinguisher. Face is not only for people, it's for so many things. Eye, the eye of the lens of a camera. The eye of it could be for lots of different things. Neck, the neck of a bottle also. Bottles also have necks. Top. Main, the main part, the main container, the main something. Of course, main is easy. And let me show you these here. Yeah. So we have parts. We have also main. We have outer. We have inner part, outer part, inner and outer. Inner is the part inside. Outer is the part outside. Position is on both sides. on one side, on both sides, in the middle of something. Yes? In the middle, on, or on top of something, or at the top. Above, the opposite of above is below, around, inside. The two last words are horizontal and vertical. Horizontal and vertical. Put horizontal, vertical on the board. The material could be wood, wooden, paper, leather, rubber, metal, glass, and plastic. So wood, paper, leather, rubber, metal, glass, plastic. So we have the words horizontal and vertical. So horizontal is like the horizon, like this, where the sun is here. That's horizon. Always remember, horizontal, like this line on which there's a sun. Horizon, horizontal, and vertical comes right like this. Yes? Let's get rid of this marker too. So vertical, horizontal, right? So, why do we need this stuff? Because that's what you will hear. If you're listening to the recording, and the recording is about, for example, the fire extinguisher, what am I going to hear? When I look at this, what should I guess?